Wonder if anybody could fall asleep to this kind of sound. Wow, so I just did like a whole minute of video and YouTube froze on me. I was worried it was going to melt the vinyl siding on the house. I don't think it did. Big fire. Holy shit, it's hot. It's a lot of hot fire. That's a big fire. Big fire. Big fire. Like and subscribe for more big fires like this. Big fire, big fire. He complains all the time that the thumb on that tractor is so slow. Excavator, whatever. The thumb is really slow. That's the slowest thumb. There it goes. All right.